Hey there, music lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward topic: how to cancel your Spotify subscription in 2025. Whether you're looking to save some cash, switch to another service, or just take a break from the tunes, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. It's quick, easy, and we'll cover both the web version and the mobile app to make sure you're covered no matter how you access Spotify. First things first, let's start with the web version since it's often the most reliable. Open your web browser and head over to the Spotify website. Log in to your account using your email and password. Once you're in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. That's usually a circle with your initials or profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Account to go to your account overview page. Now, scroll down until you find the Subscription section. Here, you'll see details about your current plan. Click on Manage Subscription, or something similar. It might say Change or Cancel, depending on your region. Once you're there, look for the option to cancel your subscription. Spotify might ask why you're leaving, but you can skip that if you want. Confirm your cancellation, and that's it. You'll get a confirmation email, and your subscription will end at the end of your current billing period. If you prefer using the mobile app, fire it up on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right, then go to Settings or Account. Scroll to the Subscription area and follow the same steps. Find the Cancel option, confirm, and you're done. One quick tip: double check for any pending charges or refunds on your payment method after canceling. There you have it. Canceling Spotify in 2025 is as simple as that. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.